another one?
Well, let's look inside and see if we can. This bunk area.
Huh?
See this underneath this bottom bunk?
Yeah.
Storage. And that's the door right there to get at it. Look, see that hatch opens up?
Okay.
It might not be too bad having a bunk thing because you could put tubs all up here.
I know.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Because
the bunk beds it's cheaper, right?
They are cheaper.
Yeah, I remember the other one. That's why I told you I can make a closet on the bunk beds.
And really, it wouldn't be that bad getting in and out of that bed. I mean, them on the sides.
Oh, we can just do like that.
Let's see, like this, sideways.
Mm-hmm. Let me check their bathroom now. Ah, like this, no. They don't have a...
No sink.
Oh, this one. They have a sink here.
Yep, they do. Where? Oh. Well, that's kind of neat.
That's their sink.
So then you just put this over into here.
Yeah. So
That's
you can
okay.
use this one, put it here. So you can
This
use
may
this
be a
one.
14-foot wolf pup,
Yeah.
and they're not too expensive.
Mm-hmm. What are those?
That's the speakers.
So if there is no bunk bed, what are these?
What's this?
Voltage.
DC for your battery. Maybe it's got a pretty big up there.
Ah, so this is it, like this only. Oh, that's big.
It's deep.
Yeah.
These here though, see these burners?
Uh-huh.
They heavy. Dude, feel how heavy they are. Like them old cheap ones. Them other
Yeah.
ones is cheap.
So this is the fridge, it's big.
It is big. Yeah, you could put a lot in them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I mean, you have a nice table.
Yep.
And you got a little countertop area there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what's about this. You could maybe put some shelves in there for your utensils.
They have plug-ins here. See?
Yeah.
They have plug-ins here. And this is the...
Plug-ins here. And I don't... Now this is for the TV.
Oh, look at this.
It's big.
Where's for the TV? Oh, that's for the TV.
I don't know what this is. There's USB ports.
Charger or something.
Yeah. Those are USB ports, aren't they?
Yeah, it is. Yep.
Wonder
So,
what these little things are for.
I don't know. So this is the steps.
This is a 16-foot bunkhouse.
Is it? I like their door.
The doors are nice.
Look at this one, baby. Check this out.
Yeah, let's look at it.
Oh,
Big. Oh,
this is big.
yeah. Underneath the bed.
Yeah.
And they don't have that old tank in there.
Uh-huh.
See, the cord though don't have a hole in the side
Yeah.
where you put the cord. in at.
So do you think that's a door, love?
Huh?
A door?
It is a door.
Ah.
It is a door.
Why they put a door there?
Well, it opens up so you can get to that storage underneath that bunk.
Oh, okay. You're
It's
really
really
right.
got a lot of storage in it.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see that in here? Did you see how it works? Look in here.
Let's go back and check that for the door.
For the bunk.
So that's why there is a door there, so that you can open and get
then you lift. You can lift this up, and all this is storage underneath this whole thing.
That's right. That's why they have that door there. Oh, it's nice.
You know what you could do is you could put a pole.
To hang clothes.
Yeah, and just take this wood out, take this bunk out. That's what that woman said she did with hers, is she made it a closet.
That's what I told you, Mr. Wandering World, that it's okay to buy a bunk house.
Well, maybe.
So this one, guys, is another one. It's still 16, but it's a FQ, so that means it's a front queen bed. So let's check this
Those
out.
are really nice.
Yeah, see, look at that. Oh,
I like the steps. Oh, Murphy bed.
oh, Murphy bed. This is what we like. Oh, the only bed I don't like it is because they cut it.
Why? It's just folded in half. And this look, storage. So then here.
Baby,
Huh?
do it again.
Huh?
Do it again.
Put this up here.
So that will turn into a. There you go. So.
And you have plug-ins
Uh-huh.
on each side. I don't know if that's for a flashlight or something that goes on there or what.
So that will
This
become into
bed.
bed,
Get that.
and
Get this here.
this one will become into bed. Give me that. Okay. So that will become into bed. Oh, it's heavy.
Not too bad.
See that? Now it will become into bed.
And
So
then these open up good.
see? That's bed now.
I think it'd be alright to sleep on.
Are you sure? Try
Yeah.
to sleep.
Oh yeah. I think it'd be okay.
But how about the bed? See, it's bulky in the middle. See?
What?
It's
Lay
bulky in
lay
the
down on it and tell me if you can.
middle. Hard to put it back.
It goes up easy.
So you're gonna fold that, and then this one make into a couch. There you go. So that's it. You have a couch now. Turn into the kitchen.
Now this bathroom's bigger.
This one we need to return it here. Turn this like this. Ah, okay. You do like that, and then this one will be
Down
like
into
this.
the
So
slumps.
you have the Murphy bed now. Is it comfortable there?
Yeah. Yeah, and see your TV goes right there.
And the TV goes this door, this wall, and this is what I like because it's just small, and there's still a space here. So this is your kitchen.
Now what does this say? Wi-Fi hotspot.
Oh, there's a Wi-Fi hotspot there. The plugins. And these are what are stickers. So this is their price here. And this is you're gonna cook, their burner. I don't know how you're gonna, you need to use a small pan or gamayng caldero so that you can cook it here too. But if you need to have a big, that I don't know. So this is the, and this is the, and the fridge. Look at the fridge, guys. Open up. Big refrigerator.
I kind of like this.
You like this one? No, Mr. Wandering World likes it.
You?
Yeah, baby. Remember that one what that guy told us?
That's the battery shut off.
For the battery.
That's the battery shut off.
Okay, so this is the table now.
It's got the air conditioning in the roof.
Yeah. So this is.
Plus, see, we could just plug stuff in. Let's go out and look at the storage compartment.
Wait, because I need to. So this for the TV.
Yeah.
Let's go to get into the bathroom.
Oh yeah, get in the bathroom. Look at in there.
Oh, it's big.
It is big. You can walk around in there easy.
Yeah.
And it has a little bit of a tub.
And that one.
And it has a rounded curtain.
Yep. I guess I like this one now.
I like this. You got put stuff here.
And this one.
Look, well, it's not real big. What about that door?
It's still the same.
Same.
Because I guess that one is
Outside there's something.
So.
Yeah, probably your toilet paper holder. You put it.
Here.
You put it right there.
Make a toilet paper holder here.
Mm-hmm.
And then here. Oh, we can put the one. It's for the back. Remember that?
Yeah.
I guess for the small one here. Then here. Maybe we can make somewhere here, love, to put something. Shelves.
Yeah.
So.
Change out that.
So this, guys, is a plastic.
To make it lighter.
Mm-hmm.
You see, you got to plug in
Yeah, to
stuff
plug
in here.
So let's go. So this is from the bathroom. That's your view.
Now see here too, by your table, you've got a plug in where you can plug in.
Yeah.
And sit with your computer.
That's right.
I like this. It has 2 heavy-duty posts.
Mm-hmm.
Now see that those posts come up. You can drop that down
into a bed. Turn into bed.
What about this? Is there some drawers or anything here? Not really.
Not really. So where can we put our clothes? That's the one. So,
Well, clothes. Here's storage.
let's see the storage. Oh, they have a small refrigerator.
How about that?
Here.
How about
How come? That's cool.
What about this front storage? So this is
Okay.
kind of nice, isn't it?
That's right. Oh, it's big. It's still okay.
And then underneath that couch, you've got
I guess,
storage.
baby, this one you can make into a door. What do you think?
Well, then that couch wasn't there place. You can put stuff underneath it too.
Let's see. Oh, great.
Yeah, that's a lot of storage underneath there.
How about there, baby?
Huh?
Up there.
It goes. I mean, it's not real
it's
big,
not
but
really big. It's
but
just
you
small.
stuff some stuff in there. And these, you can't open the door to those unless you have the bed down.
Mm-hmm.
And we probably leave the bed down unless we wanted to sit.
No, we're going to sit down.
I like this though, having a couch.
So this is it. And let's see at the back side.
See this on the back?
Yeah.
Bicycles.
Oh,
Or you can put a generator on here.
that's right.
Generator. Look at this big slide out on it. What is
Yeah,
this?
we're gonna check that also. Ah, okay. Oh, they have a shower here.
Yeah, they all have showers on the outside. Well, from looking at pictures, I never thought we would like this, but
That's right. This is the 18-foot. We're gonna check this out with the slides out. What's the
tip out.
Huh?
It's not tip out. Tip out. They call them tip outs.
Tip out? Okay, let's get in here. So this is the steps. What?
Dang. Small
Oh.
bathroom though.
This
Tiny,
is
tiny
big.
bathroom.
What is that? I'm going to
Makes into a bed. See, we have no need for all this.
Yeah. Oh, this is just big. I get, baby. That's the one that.
That's the
Oh,
heater.
this is small.
That's what, yeah.
That one is nice. The other one, because
Yeah.
it has sink.
Yeah, like for us, we're looking for a bigger bathroom.
Uh-huh.
That's something we look at.
And I don't like this kind. It's
Huh?
like this.
No.